In today's video, we're going to find out what's in my frunk and what's in my trunk. Why? Find out next. When you flip as many homes as I do, you need to be constantly prepared for anything that may come up, whether at the beginning, mostly at the end. After you get the project completed, there'll be certain things that maybe your contractor forgot. Check it out. I carry all that stuff with me. I've flipped hundreds of homes in a very competitive market, as well as being a broker, investor, and mentor. Now I want to help you, the new and experienced investor, those who want to create the life they've always wanted through real estate. Hit that thumbs up button if you want to learn how to flip properties for profit. Okay, let's see what's in my frunk first. Take my little car here, Tesla car, and press it twice and opens up the frunk. So anyways, I also do property management, not only for clients, but myself. And some of the tools I've got in my trunk, and it's a suitcase, and I can just go up to any property and pull this out and start working on anything that I need to work on. So I've got all my tools here, and then I've got like a Makita type device to put screws and all that sort of stuff. I always have electrical issues, so I've got a meter in here to check electricity, make sure electricity's flowing there. If I have problems with a plumbing backup, then I literally have one of these devices. You can buy at the store real easily, and that usually takes care of the plumbing backups that I may have. If it requires something heavier, then obviously I would call somebody out. You never know when you need to cut something with a saw. So this is what I use. Just cut something with it. And again, this is just stuff that needs to be done that I work on real quickly. It's not something that I'm going to spend the whole day. As you can see in here, maybe not so clearly, but if I've got a GFCI switch that goes out, I've got them here ready to go. And then I've got regular switches because they do break. And so I carry around a few with me so that I can just easily replace them. They're not that hard to replace. Covers as well. So those are kind of tools of the trade that I carry with me. So let's go back. Oh, my hacksaw, my handy hacksaw I got with me. Some rags. So let's go back to the trunk and open that up. Okay, so very important at the end of the project in California, you have to put smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. And so that's really what I carry. If my contractor forgot to put one in a room, I've got it here, not a big deal. I don't make them come back. I just put it on myself. So smoke detectors, and I've got carbon monoxide detectors. You can buy them all in one. I just bought these separately. The other things is water lines. So in case that breaks underneath the vanity or a faucet, I've got some extra lines here that I can put. I've got really kind of all my tools here. Here is a turn angle valve. Again, this stuff's easy to do. It's not hard. I've got all the tools like literally right here ready to go. If I go in the corner here, believe it or not, I have lots of issues with this device. Now this device goes in the toilet and obviously regulates the flow. And after a while, they do break. And so I just have a few. Actually, I have like 3 in here right now. But anyways, I always carry this around with me. And then the other thing that goes wrong is this little flapper valve. It just gets old and gets brittle. So I carry these around with me myself in case that issue arises. Lots of towels. Oh, toilet paper. You never know when you're going to need toilet paper. Okay. The other thing that I have is when we start to do the open houses and stuff, I've got booties and stuff here to kind of keep the floor clean and all that. So I've got a whole bag ready to go of booties and materials in here. I've got on this side, I've got a large sledgehammer in case I need that. I've got my lock boxes. So this is just a regular lock box, and I like to put this one, and then I have a Realtor lock box. Looks like I'm missing my Realtor lock box. There should be one in here, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. So I've got the Realtor lock box. So Realtors use this one, and my contractors use this one. That's why I have two at the locations. Oh, the other thing is sometimes you actually need to turn the water off at the main. And so it's really important to have something like this. Open up the box and go down there and turn it. It's hard if you just have a regular wrench. Try to do it. This is what you need to turn that water valve off, and turn it off safely so that you don't break it. Because if you break it, then you get charged by the city for it. So anyways, as you can see, all this is in my trunk. I carry it around every single day with me. If I get a call that there's some sort of plumbing problem or whatever, then I go over there and evaluate what's going on. If I have it in my car, then I take the part and use it. If not, then I just go to the Home Depot store nearby, and I've got all my tools ready, and I just fix whatever needs to be fixed. So it just makes it a little bit easier for me. Yes, I could probably hire somebody to do that. I have the property management business, and one of the properties had a major plumbing stop the other day. I tried to go out there and fix it. Obviously I couldn't. So we hired somebody to go out there. I guess he didn't bring a long enough. So he's waiting to get something longer to stick down the tube to unclog the clog. You know, stuff like that happens. So I just try to take care of the real quick, easy problems. So anyways, if you're doing what I'm doing, then you probably have the same thing in your trunk. But I thought it would be kind of interesting to show you what I carry around on a daily basis. If you're new to flipping and you want to see one of the flips that we just picked up that was completely demolished inside, and you want to see what it looks like at the end of the day, just click on this video right here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. I'm always here to help.